Okay, so in this video I'm going to use Summon again, but this time to show you how to find a literature review within a subject area. If you're starting a research project, whether it's a short assignment or a longer dissertation, it's always a good idea to start by finding a literature review in this subject area to begin with. And the reason for that is because a literature review is basically an overview of the research in a specific area. So it'll give you an overview of the key themes or trends in a subject area. It will show you who the key researchers are in that subject, and it will also highlight some of the main challenges that exist in the subject area as well. So a literature review is a really good starting place to get to find your feet in terms of the topic that you're looking to research. So with this search, I'm already in the advanced search function on Summon. Initially, I'm just going to set these to title. And again, this is just to demonstrate the effectiveness of the search that I'm running. I'm just looking at this topic of second language acquisition again. I'm doing something kind of more general, simply because I don't have a specific research topic to work off of, and I'm conscious that there's a lot of people from different subject areas watching these videos. So I'll run this search with title only first, just to show you how it works. So we're seeing again that our results are giving us second language acquisition and literature review within the title. Now it's only giving us 4 results. So the reason for that is because I have it restricted to title only. It's unlikely, a lot of articles that are literature reviews won't actually tell you that they are in the title. They will tell you that in the abstract a lot of the time. So I'm going to set this to abstract, which will broaden it back out and give us a few extra results. And if I filter that by journal, so that's going to give me 14, and we're not seeing literature review in the title of these articles at the moment. So the first one has second language acquisition in the title, which is what I've asked for. But we'll see if we read the abstract. It says here various literatures available, so we know that's a literature review. This one here, the second one, if I click on the preview, so I open that up, and then if I scroll down and I read the second last sentence here, so it says this review explores the relationship between second language acquisition and schizophrenia. I'm seeing here it says this review, so I know that this is a literature review as well. If I check the abstract, here it gives me a kind of a highlight of the abstract. So it's telling me it's second language acquisition, past 30 years, and then I see the term literature review mentioned in the abstract there. So it is giving me what I'm asking it for. My search term of second language acquisition is not specific enough really. So it's giving me different topics within second language acquisition, but everything it is giving me, they are literature reviews as well. Now you can filter by the year. It's good to find a literature review that's more recent or more up to date as well. So I would kind of recommend filtering by the year as well to get the more recent literature reviews that are out there. And you know, it's easy then if I click on this particular title here. So I just want to go through to the full text. I log in. So I'm on the article, and the way you would use this then is you'd still obviously have to go down and read this article. But let's say you come to this sentence here and you think that idea is interesting and you'd like to, you know, learn more about it or maybe apply it to your own assignment. So I can see the references for these ideas. So if I go down to the bibliography, I can find these particular articles. So if I go right the way down to the end, I have a look at the bibliography. I think that was one of the references. So there's a number of things I can do. So what I would need to do now is find that article so that I can go and read that article and pull some references out of it and some information out of it for my own assignment. Some of them will have links to Google Scholar, so you can click on these and it will actually bring you to this article in Google Scholar. I'd first search for it within our own system. So I just copy the title, I'd go back to Summon, and I'd run a search for that. And so we do have access to that particular one. So now I can go ahead, I can click on that, I can read it, I can take the information I need from it, and I can reference the original article in my bibliography. So by using literature reviews in this way, you're reading them in detail, you're looking at the other researches that's out there, you're getting an overview of that research, and then you're using the bibliography in the literature review to find those research articles so that you can then go and read them for your assignment. So it's kind of like a breadcrumb trail method of finding research as well. And that's really two ways that you can find information for assignments. You can either do keyword searches, or you can find the most recent up-to-date articles in a subject area, and then you can use those bibliographies. You can copy the titles, put them into Summon, put them into Google Scholar, find the original articles, and then read those. So there's two ways. There's keyword searching, and then there's this kind of breadcrumb trail method, mostly by using literature reviews. And that's a very, very effective way of finding information for your assignments.